In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Claude AI. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the Claude AI website. Once the site loads, you'll see the sign up area right on the main page. This is where you can begin creating your account. At this point, you have two main options for signing up. The first option is to enter your email address and create a brand new account manually. If you choose this method, simply type your email into the field provided and continue to the next part of the registration process. Depending on the platform's current setup, you may be asked to verify your email address and create a password before you can finish. The second option is to continue with your Google account. This can be the quicker and easier method for many people, since it usually lets you skip the separate email confirmation step and may also avoid the need to create a new password just for this platform. If you prefer convenience and already use Google regularly, this is often the fastest route. After choosing the method you want to use, continue through the account creation process by selecting the options shown on your screen. These may include basic setup choices, confirming certain preferences, or agreeing to the platform's terms and conditions. Just read each screen carefully and click Continue as you move forward. It's always a good idea to take a moment to make sure the information you enter is correct, especially if you're signing up with email. Once you complete those prompts, your account should be created successfully. If everything goes through without any issues, you'll be taken into Claude AI and can begin using the platform right away. And that's it. As you can see, signing up for Claude AI is a very quick and straightforward process. The main thing is simply choosing whether you want to use your email address or sign in with your Google account, then following the on-screen setup steps until your account is ready. If you run into any delays, such as a page not loading properly or a sign-up option not responding, refreshing the browser or trying again in another browser can sometimes help. But in most cases, the process only takes a minute or two from start to finish. Now you know exactly how to sign up for Claude AI, and you should be ready to start exploring it on your own.